Candace Macaron is an ICU nurse in Corvallis.
We're doing the best we can.
She loves her work at Good Samaritan Regional Medical Center, but is tired.
More death in our ICU in the last 2 years than we have, in my career.
And with the mounting Omicron surge, she knows the work is not over. Oregon Health Authority reported an average of nearly 8,000 new COVID cases per day since the holiday weekend, up from the Delta peak of about 3,000 last summer. About 900 people are in the hospital, nearing the record set by Delta.
Our intensive care unit is, if not full, nearly full most days and nights.
But it isn't just COVID, it's everything else too.
People held off getting checked out for their heart, and then they had a heart attack, or they have been having headaches and come in and they've had a brain bleed.
Very anxious about what's ahead of us over the next month.
Dr. Doug Merrill at St. Charles Medical Center in Bend says ERs are overrun.
Headed for basically triple their normal volume.
Those are real numbers, and that's a real problem.
Dr. Ralph Yates at Salem Health says his hospital was at 112% capacity last week and is shifting some patient checks to a gymnasium.
We will be doing more of that as we need to.
And even if there is room, Good Sam CEO Laura Henham says there's more to it.
We don't have enough people to provide the care.
Even though there's an empty bed doesn't necessarily mean there's somebody to take care of that patient.
The good news is Omicron appears to be less deadly. OHA reported about 30 deaths in a week of this January, compared to about 250 at the Delta peak. OHA does not record which variant is tied to these deaths, though. The 10 most recent deaths this week were all people 60 to 90 years old, and at least half had underlying conditions. Hospitals also say people who are vaccinated are not ending up in the ICU. So the message is the same. Get vaccinated and boosted, stay masked indoors, and distance for those at risk. At the end of the day, it all helps healthcare workers like Candace Macaron.
I need a little bit of a refresher. I think we all do.
Galen Etlin, KGW News.